Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you.
Covishield not a problem talks on with CoWIN app builders over certificates, UK High Commission. The British High Commissioner to India Alex Ains has said the UK is clear that Covishield is now a problem and that UK is clear that Covishield is not a problem and that talks are on with the builders of the CoWIN app over the vaccine certificates. We are clear Covishield is not a problem. The UK is open to travel. We are already seeing a lot of people going from India to the UK, be it tourist business people or students, he said. Alex Ellis said, "We have been having detailed technical discussions regarding certifications with the builders of the CoWIN app and the NHS app about both apps. They are happening at a rapid pace to ensure that both countries mutually recognize the vaccine certificate issues by each other. Over 62,500 students' Vishwas have been issued in the year ending June 2021, which is an increase of almost 30% as compared to the previous year. We want to make the process of traveling as easy as possible," the UK High Commissioner of India said. Despite the inclusion of Covishield, Indian travelers are not exempt from the quarantine rules under the UK's new international travel norms that will come into the force from October 4, with the British officials in New Delhi maintaining that the main issue is vaccine certification and now the vaccine, and that both India and the UK are holding talks to mutually resolve the matter. Indian diaspora is our strength. Indian Americans greet PM Modi upon arrival in US. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was welcomed by a large number of Indian Americans as he landed in the United States early Thursday. He was greeted by the members of the Indian diaspora at the Andrews Joint Air Force Base, following which he took to Twitter to commend the community for discussing itself across the world. Grateful to the Indian community in Washington, D.C. for warm welcome out diaspora in our strength. It is commendable about the Indian diaspora has distinguished itself across the world, PM Modi tweeted while sharing some images of the moment. On Wednesday, PM Modi took to Twitter to post a picture of himself going through documents while on his way to the US. In the picture, he said he can be seen walking his way through a heap of documents with a suitcase and files on the seat next to him. PM Modi said his visit would be an occasion to strengthen the Indo-US Comprehensive Global Strategic Partnership and consolidate ties with Japan and Australia. Mallika Sherawat recalls being targeted for bold scenes, says men get away with everything. As soon as Mallika Sherawat stepped into the Bollywood, she was criticized for doing bold scenes. The actress had to face brutal scrutiny while her male co-stars got away with it all. In a recent interview, Mallika opened up about being targeted for such scenes and how the times and society have changed. Earlier, Mallika Sherawat talked about being tagged as a fallen woman for doing bold scenes in the 2004 film Mother. In a recent interview, the actress talked about the difference between how the society treats a male and a female actor for bold scenes. She feels women are targeted while men get away with everything. While things were difficult for Mallika Sherawat and she was polished for her movie choice initially in her career, she feels the society has evolved now. But now, the media is very supportive, especially towards women, and even the society has evolved. Actresses now are doing frontal nudity, and it's accepted, it's considered very artistic, she added. On the work front, Malika Sherawat's web series Naka premiered on MX Player on September 15.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.